Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing this yummy vegetable soup with you guys, and I'm using goat meat for this recipe. I just poured in my goat meat in my pot, added onions, pepper, one stock cube and salt. So I'm going to let this cook together in its own juice for the first 5 minutes, and that is it. Just poured in my shaki. Then cow skin, that's the mama. Then I'm going to let this cook. I didn't add water to it. And as that is busy, I'm going to be rough blending my peppers and onions. Voila, that is it. See, you can blend your smooth if you like it smoked. There's no harm in doing that. Just pour it in my pot of meat, raise it and add the water to it. You can add more water to yours if you want your vegetable soup a little bit lighter. And I added palm oil, locust beans, salt, and one stock cube. Total 2 stock cube I used in this soup. So now I'm going to put it together, add smoked fish to it. I'm going to put the lid on and let it cook. First of all, I added crayfish, grounded crayfish. You have to be generous with your crayfish in vegetable soup. Makes it more tasty. So tasty, so yummy already. So now I'm going to put the lid on, let it cook together for 5 minutes. And that is it. And I'm using frozen vegetable. I'm using spinach, frozen spinach. So I'm just going to add it to it and let it cook together for 3 minutes. Then it's ready. Very easy to put together. Vegetable soup is not difficult at all. And I hope you enjoy watching this and try this recipe. It's so super delicious. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope I make this as easy as possible for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please help me to build it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and God bless you. Follow and like my page also. God bless you guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. See, my soup is ready, and we're going to be enjoying this for dinner with pounded yam.